went and sold a dump. It also has a trailer hitch on it. Collapsible trailer hitch. 283. 4-speed, 2-speed. Many miles on it?
71,109 is right.
71,109.
Yeah.
I can get it right now.
What would it be? Right there.
71,109. Okay. A good clean cab in it for its age. I'm seeing a rust around the doors.
She won't have, though. I say need some coffee.
Just a little bit right there.
Huh?
Very little rust on this truck for its age. Around the fenders, very little. Very little seems to be. Yeah, for right now. Yep, all of them good. A little bit right there. A little bit on the door here, just a touch. But very little rust on this truck for its age. Everything's in place, all the knobs. Rodney was a perfectionist in every way. Like I say, he was peanut champ in Northampton County for many years. And he had everything just right. All right.